All right, everybody. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know who it is. Got some interesting items that I ordered from various sites, various places, i.e. Amazon, JTico, eBay. We got a mail call from Mr. Fluffy Mexicanic. And a whole bunch of stickers. I'll show you all those in a minute. But nonetheless, we'll jump right into it while I got your attention. If you like this video at the end, like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into it. We'll save this one for last. Well, the first item, I've been wanting one of these. It is the hose clamp pliers by Astro. The 9409A. It does come with a lifetime guarantee. These hose clamp pliers are pretty much a game changer for hose clamp pliers. It is the hose clamp cable pliers. It is ratcheting. You just go ahead when you want to get the hose clamp off of it, press that, and it ejects it. But you can pretty much tighten it down to where you want it without having to go all the way if you don't want to. But I've been wanting one of these, and I finally broke down and bought it. Again, the item number is 9409 Alpha, and it is the Astro brand. There's many different brands in there. Basically, you put these two clamps right here on the hose clamp and you squeeze down on it. That is item number one. Item number two came from eBay. Nonetheless, this is a 24 to 25 inch gear wrench, 120 tooth, the 120 XP 120 tooth half-inch ratchet. As you look, I mean, it's more than, you could say it's more than a ratchet. It's also a breaker bar of some sorts. It looks really nice. I'll have to clean the head up a little bit on it. As y'all can see, the head's a little bit dirty. I'll get all that cleaned up, and this will be added to my ratchet collection. Not only this one, I did purchase something from JTico. Right now, I believe these are running like $100 on his site for the set. It's a really nice set. It's from Easy Red. I would highly advise going over to his site, looking at them. We'll get all this wretched plastic off of it. But it is the Easy Red 3-piece ratchet set. It does come 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. They are the flex head with the comfort grip. I wish Easy Red is much like Craftsman with the small grips on them. I mean, it's not as small as the Craftsman, but it's still small. They need to extend this out a little bit. But these are really nice fine ratchets. They do have the on and off switch. They are indexing, so it pretty much locks it down when it's in place. You got to put some little bit of force to get that to move, so it's not a floppy head on it. That's the 1/4 inch. Here's the 3/8. Really nice fine tooth count on it. Again, it is the indexing flex head. This is 18 inches long. It does have the comfort grip on it. This one fits in the hand a little bit better. MR3818F, MR1412F for the part numbers. And last but not least, the 1/2 inch breaker bar, or a ratchet with the comfort grip. You can see the part number on that is MR1224F. It does fit really nice in the hand. It is indexing. It does have the on and off switch, selector switch on it. Really nice anvil on them. I'm highly impressed with these ratchets so far. We'll get to using them. It does come in its own blow molded case with the little pocket right here. You could put like sockets or something like that in it, or small ratchets, or whatever your heart desires. Easy Red does offer a lifetime warranty. But these are the XL double extra long ratchets. The whole kit part number is MR48482 XLF. 72 drive, got the comfort grip handles, 180-degree flex head, got low profile, it's got the reversible switch. It also comes in a high density foam tray. There's the lengths on them. One's 24 inch, one's 18, and one is 12, as y'all can see. Not bad at all. Easy Red does make some really good products. But we'll move on to the next item. These are the Capri Stubby 11-piece 1/2 inch drive and impact socket set. As y'all see, it ranges from 3/8 all the way up to 1 inch. I do have the 3/8 stubby impact sockets in metric. Oh man, these are the 1/2 inch. Ordered the wrong ones. I wanted the 3/8, not the 1/2 inch. But oh well. I'll get the other two. I'll get the 3/8 SAE and the 1/2 inch metric in due time. But those will come. These are 6-point sockets. They are made in Taiwan, as y'all see there. But nonetheless, I mean, these stubby impact sockets, they're really nice. I do like the 3/8 set that I already have. So we'll get this camera flipped around and we'll show you all the stickers I have. All right. Well, first things first, we'll show you what JD Tico sent me. First sticker is the Canuck sticker, King Cut sticker. Show me your bits. Got a Knipex sticker. Can never pronounce that one. Got the JD Tico sticker. Got a different kind of JD Tico sticker. And the Mueller Keps sticker. Whenever I get the new toolbox, these stickers will go on the new toolbox. Now, Fluffy Mexicanic, I'm not going to show you his address, but I will show you. You sent them to me. I think this is the magnet. Whoop. Yep, that is pretty cool. That's going to go inside the truck on the refrigerator. I don't know if this piece of paper has any writing on it, but nope, it's just paper to protect the magnet. That's pretty cool. They put it in there to protect it. Appreciate that, Fluffy. And last but not least, I got some new channel stickers for my own channel. They did arrive. I do have them. I haven't decided on the price yet, but if you haven't already looked at my community channel, the post is on the community channel saying which I got, and there is my new channel stickers. I still have the old ones. The older ones are not going to go anywhere. They will remain with the channel, but these are bigger stickers. I'm probably going to order the originals in the same type of layout, the 4x4 squares. But we'll decide how these will be distributed. And I may ask for a couple bucks just to cover the price of the stickers and shipping. These are not going to be easy to ship like the other ones. These are a little bit bigger. These are the 4x4 stickers. But nonetheless, they are in. I do have them in hand. So, when I'm ready to start distributing these out, I will let everybody know, probably on live streams or something like that. Or you can hit me up on my email. It is on my about me section, or in my about me section on the community, on the channel. But nonetheless, if y'all are interested, hit me up and we'll work something out. But nonetheless, that's all I got for you today. As you can see, it's getting dark out. Wanted to get this video recorded before it got dark, but if you're not subscribed to the channel, get subscribed. We've got more exciting stuff to come. Hulk smash the like button. Share this video out with your friends. Ring that bell. Turn on all notifications for either new videos or my live streams. We do live streams as I can. I'm no longer an owner operator. We went back to being company drivers for a company. I can't really disclose the name of that company on my videos. If you ever in live streams where I'm at, I sometimes disclose it there. But until the next time, Mr. Ranger Cage said, thank you for watching. Y'all have a great rest of your week. And until the next time, y'all keep those wheels spinning, beavers grinning, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.